So this is the navel, as you all know, and this is the most important part in the body, because the pulse comes first in the navel and goes out from the navel. If the pulse is exactly on the navel center, the person will be healthy without doing anything. His immune system is working strongly. But if pulse is not in the center, no matter how fit the person looks, he will have some kind of problem in some of his body. So how to check the pulse? You just put your hand inside. When you put your hand inside, you can see my finger is moving. Slowly, if you will focus, you can even see the pulse is pushing my finger upward. So this movement is the movement of pulse. It's more or less now okay, but it is more to this side. It still need to be in the center. It is not in center. And there are few points which is more important other than this. Is like one point is here, one point is here, another point is here, another point is here, another point is here, and the last point is here. These points need to be pressed also every day by just putting your hand like this. Then like this. If your stomach is not healthy, if you are having problem, it will have pain. You know, when you will touch, the person will move his whole body and it will be painful for that person. If this is painful, there could be only two reasons. If it is a man, he can have like some problem connected to his sexual organs, or there will be extra formation of extra store of stool in the intestine. Or if this is a woman, then there could be two reasons, that the fallopian tube is blocked, or like the ureterus has some kind of problem, and another is same like the extra intestinal problems, extra intestinal stool. So how to correct this? The one easiest way is to put a ball, round ball, under the belly and goes upside down. Another thing is like now you show more. Okay, now you can put it down. So another thing is you spread your hands on both. No, spread your hands and you move with the breathings. Your body absolutely like goes full. So nie noga nie tak. Ja скажу, что нужно делать, просто делать так. So you twist it like this, and then another side like this. The shoulder should be on the ground. This is like a first way. You repeat it 3 to 4 times. Then you spread your legs. Чуть-чуть открывается. Нет, не так, так открывается. И когда это там буду, это нужно такая колено. So then you do this to when you bend. When you bend like this, your knee is touching the ankle of the another foot, and your shoulders are on the ground. Then to the different side. Yes. Okay. Then what you have to do is and touch to your nose. Open this leg. Use both hands. Yes, the nose, the side. Leg to take and touch like this, with the different leg also. With different leg. Okay, this is there. Another one is turn back, upside down. Hold your legs. Chakrasana, like a wheel pose, and lift your body. Yes. So this is also helping in the navel balancing. And then upside down bridge pose. Na spine, bridge pose, bridge, mosta, da. Yes. and this is also for helping the navel stretch and navel pulling in the right. Na palchika नहीं है तो normal ना तक как можно сколько. How much you can do maximum, you must try to do. Okay, оставайтесь. आराम से. It's good for them. Да. Низ. Сколько можно, так
Я
они.
не могу, мне поставили банку эту, у меня болит живот.
Давай. Просто так. So how much you can go down, you can go down. No need to force yourself. This is
Spine
this.
straight.
A spine straight, or even if it will bend, it's not a problem. Don't need to worry about it. Just need to stretch your spine. Last one is Matsasyasana, fish pose. Fish pose, yes. So this is like Matsasyasana, fish pose. This is the last part of this. You need to do and stay for some period in this. So when you did the forward bending, it can relax your spine. Relax.
Оно это не надо?
Нет, не надо. Okay. Relax. Сейчас сидишь, как я сидишь. Так. Два нога вместе. And after you finish, you need to sit like this. Sit. Yeah, просто sit. You sit like this for at least 5 minutes. And then you can stand and do your works. And if you have something to eat, half a bread or something, just keep it close to you. So right after sitting in this position, you can eat food. One more important thing, those people have a problem of stomach expansion or like a big belly or tired something, they need to eat food like this. They hold their legs, both hands like this, and with the right hand you eat food. Then the belly will be always in balance. Okay, thank you. Namaste.